Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel Success Diamonds. Myself Ayushi Kabra. I am staying in Sakanagar, Bangalore, Karnataka. This video is all about our MEG second year literature, that is American literature, which I have chosen the subject for second year. And in this subject there are four one is compulsory subjects and three are minor subjects. So I cannot say that are minor subjects, but that are also major subjects only. I have chosen MEG 11, that is American novel, MEG 15, contemporary literature, theory and practice, MEG 17 as American drama, and MEG 18 as American poetry. These are my four subjects which I have chosen for second year of MA in literature. As you know that I have got cleared my first year of Master of Arts in English MEG, that is in from IGNOU in literature. That my four subjects in British literature, like what I have chosen was British poetry, British drama, British novel, and literary criticism and theatre, that is MEG 5. The first subjects which I have chosen was four subjects in my first year time. Now I want to give you tips and tricks, friends. So this video may extend for a while, but don't worry, I'll guide you everyone proper in a proper way. So here are the few tips and tricks which I am going to share it with you. So before entering in the exam, exam will be there in June and December. As I know, December students are quite panicked this time. So friends, it's my humble request, friends, don't be panicked. It's every paper will go easier in a smoother way. Just try to understand the concept what they are telling to write us. Teachers are expecting like how you prepare your question, like questions are prepared already, how you prepare your answers and serve them. Especially serving the answers is also a big deal, like how you deal with the words, how you deal with the literature. Literature means especially the words written by author or poet. For example, I can tell you in American poetry, we have Phyllis Whitley. She has written one poetry on coming from Africa to America. On which topic she has mentioned? She has mentioned about a slavery which has brought her from Africa to America. And for which purpose she was brought? She was brought from her childhood for slavery, and she is thanking God. The God has given her a new life and a new chance so that she can say her thanks to God also and the slavery what was going during those times, older times. And if we come towards British poetry, we can say T.S. Eliot, The Wasteland. We have that 5 topics, subtopics. We have 5 subtopics there, and all the topics are important there because each topics are having its own tastes. If you need for more simple way in British poetry, I can tell you you can go for a Spenser, that is Epithalamion, Prothmallion, sonnets 34, 67, 66. As you know that Prothmallion and Epithalamion, Prothmallion was for the wedding of her two swans, and Epithalamion was a wedding of the own poet, who it was Spenser, Edmund Spenser. He was praising about his own, like how he's like I can tell you, he was presenting his wish to his wife Elizabeth Boyle. So friends, my saying is don't be panic. Just be confident, be positive, surely you will win the race. Okay, now I'll come back to my tips and tricks which I am going to give you today, since I am half an hour before here to explain you all. So friends, be online and keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing and keep commenting on my channel so that I'll be motivated more and I'll share you more and more videos on our teachers, like what all they're giving us the lectures, and try to attend more and more online classes. Let it be in part of any part of country in India. Like let it be Rajasthan, let it be Trivandrum, let it be Karnataka. Try to attend plenty of classes. How much classes you will attend, that much you will gain the knowledge. and try to make your own notes, try to make your own thesis, and try to understand what is the logic behind every chapter. So friends, now I am guiding you what all you have to do during while going to exam. And before then that exam, how you have to submit your assignments. For December session, there is the August till November time for submission of the assignments. And for June session, from they will start it from mid of March till May. May first week or second week is the closure time for the June session exam. So friends, don't be panic for June people, and for December people. Friends, please be calm. Your everything will be going good. So friends, my friends, those who are attending December exams, for them I want to guide them firstly. Like before entering the exam, you have to take with your ID card. You have to take your ID card of IGNOU. Then you have to take your Aadhaar card along with your hall ticket, and you have to carry the pens. Like I can say you carry four blue pens and carry two black pens. Blue pens for writing the questions answers, and two pens for writing the questions. But one request is that for me to say everyone, kindly friends, don't share any question answers with your friends who are sitting beside you. Let it be online or offline people. If you are sharing your question and answers, and if you are caught in the exam, then you will get an unfair means or symbol. Like either you might your exam may get completely closed, or you may get a black mark on your results. So friends, it's a request. Don't take the chance of anything like that. And for those who are the session with me for June term and exam, these are my I think so you people can see it clearly. This is my receipt. This one is my receipt, friends, which is given for me from my BS College, Jayanagar. This is a receipt of MEG 11, MEG 15, MEG 17, and MEG 18. So this receipt is mandatory for me since I have completed my assignments already. All my 4 assignments are over, and I'm going to submit it by March, as when dates are when dates will be when dates will be coming out. And now I want to show you how my previous assignment receipt was there, so that you will get the idea. This one was my previous year assignment submission with signature with seal of a teacher, and I was given here serial number. So this is my previous year, last year I had chosen 4 languages in British literature. That one was MEG 1 as British poetry, MEG 2 as British novel, MEG 3 as British drama, and MEG 5 as literary criticism and theory. This one were my 4 subjects in first year of MEG. And now I have chosen again the 4 subjects, in which one subject is compulsory for me to be chosen. I was having 2 options. Either I have to take MEG 4 or MEG 15. But I have chosen MEG 15. I'll tell you why. Since MEG 4 belongs to phonetics, in which we have to understand the coding, decoding, and the language and the grammar, everything about the English. So actually it was about for PhD it was useful for me. But since why I have not taken MEG 4, as there was blocks also was many, and you have to have plenty of patience to understand the subject. So like even I could have done MEG 4 also. But what I thought, like, why should I go for MEG 4? Why can't I do MEG 15? MEG 15 is still more simpler. It's all about our basics, what all we have done in our school days. MEG 4 was also interesting, but MEG 15 is contemporary literature and theory is still more interesting than that. So why should I not go for MEG 15? So I had been for MEG 15. I took MEG 17 as my American novel, MEG 15 as contemporary literature and theory and practice, MEG 17 as American drama, and MEG 18 as my American poetry. Now friends, I want to tell you like simple way to study. Now you will be thinking why this girl is guiding us so much. See friends, my intention is that like my colleagues or friends, everyone has to score a good marks and should clear their subjects with very wonderful marks. My intention is that. So I am telling oftenly, please like my channel, subscribe it and do it. You will be happier and you will get plenty more like queries. If you have, you can ask me before 8 anytime. So friends, I'll be showing you my assignments, how I have done for second year MEG. So friends, come, I'll show you now. Okay, so now this is my MEG 11. That is American novel. And as usual, this is my enrollment number. I hope you people can see it. And my college study center, which I have chosen, BS College. So this is my presentation, how I have made it. And firstly, I placed my ID card. Then I placed my subjects card. And then I placed the question card of MEG 11 American novel. And then here I have started writing like how many answer sheets I have placed for every question answers. And my preparations are like this. Like, I hope you all can understand my language, how I have written. I have not left even a single page, friends. I have just filled all the pages. So for one example, I can show you for MEG 11. For scoring still more, boosting your marks, you can add here how much answer sheets you have placed. So it will become easier for your teachers to give you the marks. So for question number 1, I have written number of answer sheets. It took me 1 to 10 for 20 marks. And for question number 2, number of answer sheets, it took me 10 to 6 for 20 marks. And for question number 3, number of answer sheets 17 to 23 for 20 marks. Number of answer sheets 23 to 26, 20 marks. And for question number 5, number of answer sheets 27 to 37, 20 marks. Same procedure I have done for this one was for MEG 11. And same procedure for MEG 15. See, same procedure. Same procedure for MEG 15. MEG 15 also same procedure. See here friends, I have mentioned here PTO also. Please turn over so that teacher can turn our pages. As clean as neat you will make your assignments, that much your weightage will be getting. See here friends, here also I mentioned question number 1, number of answer sheets, that is in comparative literature theory and practice. 1 to 12, 20. Question number 2, 12 to 21, 20. Question number 3, 22 to 32, 20 marks. Question number 4, 33 to 43, 20 marks. Question number 5, number of answer sheets 43 to 53, 20 marks. Same thing I have done for other 2 assignments also. That is MEG 17, American drama. Same procedure friends. Same procedure. MEG 17 and MEG 18. I hope my friends are understanding what I'm planning to say them, what my saying is. So this is MEG 15, MEG 18, MEG 17, MEG 15 and MEG 11. So friends, my 4 assignments are ready. In this way, I am preparing my assignments friends, and I am done with my assignments. Assignments are completely done. So next, what is my step for the studies? You might be thinking like she has prepared her assignments, where are her studies part? So I'll show you now my studies part, how I'm doing it. So how like I can share you few videos like what I'm doing. Like I'll show you the best example of MEG 15, which is comparative literature theory and practice, how I'm studying this. So this one is the like notes prepared by me, and this one is the points what I'm writing here. So see here friends, I'm using 2 markers. 2 markers, one is pastel color and one is pink color. 2 markers I'm using for highlighting, and I'm making here my own notes. I hope you people can see this, my interpretation, all that, how I'm doing it. Like from seeing the question paper, I'm solving plenty of question papers also. And for best example, I can show you how I'm doing it in my test book, which I have received it from IGNOU. So right now I'm in Kabir. I'm reading Kabir 1. So I've highlighted which all I felt about him. And this is a paragraph of Kabir for 15 lines. This is the interpretation. Like this only I have done for all, like Bulle Shah, Akka Mahadevi, then please, Lal Deed and Mirabai.